This is Mitra class, Nerul, New Bombay. Our telephone number and etc. is given. These students passed standard 12 in last year and their marks is given like that. We are discussing in details the projectile motion. Earlier we have given the introduction of the projectile motion. Now different equation to be developed which is earlier given some standard form. First, you see the figure, x-axis and y-axis is a plane. Here a body is being thrown with some angle theta, with initial velocity v0, Now, component of the velocity along the x direction v0x, also we can write this value equal to v0 cos theta. Similarly here we can vertical component of the velocity v0y, which also can be written v0 sin theta. Now, one thing is clear to us that in this plane there is a gravitational force exactly downward, and due to this gravitational force there is acceleration due to gravity which is noted by g. In horizontal direction there is no gravitational force, so acceleration in this direction we can say here is a 0. After time t, after some time t, small t, after some time t, the particle reaches at position, this position, let this position is denoted by A, and this position denoted by O, and this position is denoted by B, and this position is denoted by C, this position is denoted by D. Now again I am talking from here. Initial velocity is a v0 making angle theta. Then we can say component of the velocity along horizontal direction v0 cos theta, and vertical direction v0y equal to v0 sin theta. After time t, particle reaches at A with velocity v. And due to this instantaneous velocity after time t, Vx is the component velocity along x direction, Vy is the vertical velocity along y direction after time t. After time capital T by 2, particle reaches at B, which is showing the maximum height of the entire projectile motion. That means particle at B, here V equal to Vx and Vy equal to 0. Very careful, because it is not moving any more upward, it is moving horizontal. So Vy equal to 0 and final velocity V equal to Vx. After time capital T, earlier it was a T by 2, so naturally from here to here whatever the time is required, from here to here are also same time required, that is symmetric with respect to vertical height. So this time is a T, particle reaching at C. That time we have considered R is the maximum range. R is the range, sorry, not maximum. Well, how we will see here. R is the maximum range. Now R is not maximum, R is the range. R is the range length. T is the time of flight. That means it starts from the ground, reaching at ground T, which is known as the time of flight, and T equal to T by 2, time of flight to reach at maximum height. Naturally, already explained to you. I hope so. There is no doubt in this figure regarding any term whatever we have explained. But only there is a little bit doubt here, result part. You always try to understand this is a separate issue we will discuss. But one thing, cos theta, that means the angle made theta with the x-axis, that direction, result part is a cos theta, and upward direction with respect to this line is supposed to be v sin theta. Now, Bx and V0x, Bx and V0x, what is the relation? Bx equal to V0x equal to V0 cos theta. Similarly, Vy acceleration is a downward. तो v इक्वल टू u माइनस जी टी, क्या आएगा u माइनस जी टी, दैट इज v जीरो y माइनस g and t after any time as no force, no acceleration. Equation number 1. Vy equal to v0y minus gt. This is also, we can write v0 sin theta minus g into t. Standard formula v equal to u minus at. Equation number 2. Particle range from O से E, whose coordinate is x comma y, that is x is at this distance and y is a vertical distance. Hence, we can write x equal to bx into t equal to v0 cos theta into t, because this is the formula x equal to v into t. There is no acceleration. That is the reason this formula equal to velocity into time. And y equal to v0 y ut minus half gt square, or we can write v0 sin theta t minus half gt square, because particle is moving upward with acceleration g, and not acceleration, you can say negative acceleration, that is retardation. This is my equation number 4. So what we have got? We have got relation Vx versus V0, Vy versus, Vx versus V0x, V0x and Vy, and this is relation also we have obtained. Then x distance covered, this means this distance covered also we have obtained in terms of initial velocity and time. Similarly, we have got y also like that. This is my equation for velocity after time t and distance after time t. Now we have all are happened at point point A. Now we are coming point B. Point B, you see here, Vy equal to 0. No velocity in upward direction or downward direction. Time t equal to t by 2. Now, we have equation from 4. We can write y equal to v0y into t minus half gt square. No. From 2, you are getting Vy equal to v0y minus g into t. Now put the value Vy equal to 0, v0y minus g into t. Therefore t equal to v0y by v0 sin theta by g. This is my equation number 5. Next you see here x. Already you have at point B we have got time t or t by 2 equal to v0 sin theta by g. That is equation number 5. Hence, t equal to twice v0 sin theta by g, equation number 6. That means time of flight t equal to 2 v0 sin theta by g. 2 v0 sin theta by g. Now we are coming up. Now you see x equal to from 3. From 3 we are getting x equal to v0 cos theta into t. That means we also we will write later on v0 x into t. v0 x into t. Now when x equal to r, t equal to capital T. That means r equal to v0x into capital T. And let us see v0x equal to v0 cos theta and t equal to twice v0 sin theta by g from 6. Hence we are getting 2 v0 square sin theta into cos theta by g. That means r equal to v0 square sin twice theta by g. This is my r, this is my t. When r will be r max, keeping v0 constant and change the angle. We have now write r equal to v0 sin twice theta by g, the variable is twice theta, sine twice theta, which is for maximum value. Therefore, twice theta equal to 90 degree and theta equal to 45 degree. And that time R will be R max, that means V0 sine 90 degree by G R max equal to V0 square by G. That is angle of projection theta equal to 45 degree. This is my another formula. Now you see this is equation number 8. At point B, maximum height H is to be determined. We had from 4 y equal to V0y into t minus half gt square. Now y will be h V0y into t by 2 minus half g t by 2 per whole square. Hence, h equal to V0y and t by 2 the whole square. Okay. Now let the common t by 2 V0y minus half 2 to the 4 to the into चला गया 4 g t. Now you write t by 2. Now you write h equal to t by 2 V0y equal to V0 sine theta 1 by 4 g theta value we have what is the t value 2 V0 sine theta by 0 2 V y by g. Sorry, this is you cut. Then you write t by 2 or you write this here is V0y. Hence we have a t into V0y by 2 1 minus V0y by half equal to t V0y by 2. So h equal to V0y. The t का value is twice V0 y square into t by V0 t into V0 sorry. Now V0 y by 4 into t twice Vy by g. गलत तो लगता है. Now it is a cancel V0y square by 2g. we have got h equal to v0y square by 2g, or e0 equal to v0 sin theta whole square by 2g. We can write v0 square sin square theta by 2g. This is my maximum height or any given angle. Now we require last equation. What is required to us? Equation of projectile motion, that is relation x and y only variable. We have y equal to v0y into t minus half gt square. Here x equal to v0x into t, then we can write t equal to v0x. Therefore y equal to v0y x by v0x minus half g into t square, s square by v0x whole square, and v0. Now we can write y equal to x into v0y by v0x minus half g s square by vox whole square. Now v0y by v0x equal to v0 sin theta by v0 cos theta. Then that value equal to tan theta. So y equal to tan theta into x minus half g s square divided by v0 cos square theta, or y equal to x tan theta minus g s square by twice v0 cos square theta, which is equation of a parabola. Now you see, we do not know the equation of the parabola at this moment. It is a separate issue of the mathematics. That time we will discuss in details. Now we have to learn like that way. The equation of the projectile motion, that is y equal to x tan theta g s square by v0 s square. काम हो गया whole square. That means again we are writing that is a square. Sometimes they may ask the value. Sometime question may be asked what is the value of theta. So we can write tan theta equal to v0y by v0x. If they give like that, then this is also can be determined v0y by v0x. Clear?